Mastering intraday trading with the RSI strategy. An RSI, Relative Strength Index strategy for intraday trading, is a common and effective method to capture short-term price movements. This presentation will provide a complete explanation of the strategy, along with practical examples using a TradingView chart. We will delve into the core indicators, precise entry and exit rules, and show how to set up your charting platform to maximize your trading efficiency. Get ready to enhance your intraday trading skills with a clear, actionable RSI strategy. RSI strategy for intraday trading. Key indicator, RSI, Relative Strength Index. Period, 14, standard setting for balance sensitivity. Overbought level, 70, indicates potential reversal downwards. Oversold level, 30, indicates potential reversal upwards. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. By comparing the magnitude of recent gains to recent losses, it helps identify overbought or oversold conditions in the market. For intraday trading, we recommend using a 5-minute or 15-minute time frame. These shorter time frames are crucial for capturing rapid price fluctuations and immediate trend shifts, aligning perfectly with the fast-paced nature of day trading. Strategy rules for intraday trading. Buy signal. Condition RSI falls below 30, oversold zone. Confirmation. Price shows a bullish reversal candle, e.g. hammer, bullish engulfing on the chart. Entry. Enter a long position immediately after the confirmation candle closes. Stop, loss. Place below the recent swing low to manage risk. Target. Aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 or exit when RSI crosses above 50, midpoint for momentum shift. Sell signal. Condition RSI rises above 70, overbought zone. Confirmation. Price shows a bearish reversal candle, e.g. shooting star, bearish engulfing on the chart. Entry. Enter a short position immediately after the confirmation candle closes. Stop. Loss. Place above the recent swing high to manage risk. Target. Aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 or exit when RSI crosses below 50, midpoint for momentum shift. Condition. RSI rises above 70, overbought zone. These rules provide a structured approach to identifying high-probability trades. Always wait for full candle confirmation before entering to avoid false signals. Strict adherence to stop-loss and target levels is vital for consistent profitability and risk management. RSI visual, intraday trade opportunities. Price movement over time, top chart, with clear candlesticks indicating price action. RSI 14 on the same time scale, bottom chart, with overbought 70 and oversold 30 zones distinctly marked by horizontal lines. This visual helps spot RSI-based intraday trade opportunities. Look to buy when RSI dips below 30 and price starts reversing, confirmed by a bullish candlestick pattern. Conversely, look to sell when RSI rises above 70 and price shows signs of turning down, indicated by a bearish candlestick pattern. These confluence points represent high probability setups for day traders.